Lahat po tayo ay hindi perfecto, kagaya ni Samson. We may not be able to master our emotions. We may not be able to really look at our weaknesses. But I tell you this, that God who began a good work in us will complete it and will perfect it in His day. All we just need to do is to magnify Him. That's not the message. At tandaan po natin that when we lose our control and offer it to God, that's the time that we will be able to take control of it. Let's sing this song, how great God is and how He will be able to finish what He started in us. He who began a good work in you began a good work in you. You'll be faithful to complete it. You'll be faithful to complete it. You started a work. You'll be faithful to complete it. Let's sing that one more time with conviction.